So in this last video, what we're going to do is we're going to export this or share this with Angel. But first, I actually want to go over a few little design options that I forgot to mention. I'm fairly new to this application, so I'm learning as I sort of go along. You can change some of the look of your piece by going to design options right up front here, or up top. You can make it, this is set to light, you can set it to dark. If we save changes, we can see that now the images are against a black background, and now that reverse the type, so that could look interesting. You could use custom. I'm assuming that's for different colors that you want. Oh, I'm sorry, that's coming soon. It just said. You can also use a background image. So let's browse for one of those. I think I found one that I kind of liked. That was a bunch of different book covers. If I can find it, it's probably here in Chip Kids Work. So here's something that's got like a lot of little different book covers. I'm going to align, I'm going to say let's repeat it on the X and Y so it sort of tiles it. And it's uploading that. And if I hit OK, I probably need to change this back to light, I'm thinking. And now when I go to view my project, you can see that all those the pages I put back there, that image I put back there, tiled, and now it looks kind of neat because we're talking about book covers, and then there they are. Now again, we can view it like this. We could view it in a grid pattern, and then say let's look at some Chip's Kids Work, and it would show like this. Or we can turn it on and go to full screen, and we use these little things on the side here to view that. Or back, and then we go up to get above to go to the main screen, and we can watch the videos. Now let's say we wanted to go ahead and share this with Angel or any other program for that matter, or website. What we could do is we could open it up. So we'll go ahead and we're viewing this. We can bring this image up like this, let's say. And when we move our mouse, these things come up here, and this one is share, and this one is to put a tag on it. We're going to go ahead and share it. And you could have done that in any of the other views as well. That's interesting because it doesn't really, the little thing doesn't really pop up there for share there. You almost have to go to full screen, and then there it is. Okay, so full screen, and the share shows up. So we click on share, and we are given all these embed tags, or you can like this in Facebook, and then it would show up on your Facebook page, or Google, or it would tweet it, or in share, or you can go ahead and embed it. So, or you can email it to someone. So I'm going to use the embed code, and I'm going to use a bigger one, the 770, and I'm going to hit select it and hit copy, okay, and close out of that. Then I'm going to go over, and I'm going to already have an Angel page opened up. I'm going to go in Angel. I'm going to add content, add a page, and then again, just like in videos, we need to make sure we click on the source button, click in the box here, paste it. See, it pastes all that code in. We hit save. I didn't title it, but if I had, it would be a title there, of course. Now if we click on that, we see the presentation we've made. Extend this screen a little bit. We see the presentation we've made in Projeqt, and we can go through it like this. We can watch it. We can then share it with somebody else. If we want to see a full screen, this is interesting. It actually takes you and opens it up in the Projeqt site, and then you can view from here to go full page with it. So they sort of bring you back to the site, but that's fine. If you want to go back to Angel, you would just close your tab there, and you'd be right back in Angel, where you can then view it. And it puts your profile in, so if you've got other ones made, and shows your Facebook page and things like that. So be aware that if you're going to be using this, you can always not have a photo there or any of your other sort of social media information. So it's a great presentation program, simple to use, makes like a living presentation, and you can share it with Angel and all other types of websites.